Meaning of imprecisely.
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 Imprecisely. Imprecisely refers to a lack of accuracy or exactness in something. It suggests that the result or information provided may not be completely reliable or specific. For example, if measurements are taken imprecisely, the data collected may not be entirely accurate. This can result in errors or inconsistencies in any conclusions or decisions made based on that data. Similarly, if instructions or directions are given imprecisely, it may lead to confusion or mistakes. In summary, imprecisely implies a degree of uncertainty or ambiguity that can potentially have negative consequences.